At number 2, we have the Thule T2 Pro. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its exceptional versatility and ease of use. This hitch-mounted bike rack can securely transport a wide variety of bikes, from road and mountain bikes to fat bikes with tires up to 5 inches wide, all without requiring additional adapters. Its robust design supports 2 bikes, each weighing up to 60 pounds, making it ideal for heavier electric bikes as well. One of the most user-friendly features is the tilt mechanism, operated by the accessible hitch switch lever. This allows you to tilt the rack down for rear vehicle access, or fold it up when not in use, even with bikes loaded. Loading and unloading bikes is straightforward thanks to adjustable tire trays and ratcheting arms that hold bikes securely without contacting their frames. The integrated locks for both the bikes and the rack provide added security during short stops. Durability is another highlight of the T2 Pro. It features a powder-coated metal frame that resists rust and maintains stability over rough roads. Built-in wheels make it easy to move and store when detached from the vehicle. With its thoughtful design, rugged construction, and ability to handle nearly any bike, this rack is a top choice for serious cyclists seeking reliability and convenience.